nice looking 1960 Falcon? No, it's not. It's a 1960 Frontenac. This was its own brand, sold in Canada for 1 year, 1960. The problem was that the Mercury-Meteor dealers in Canada needed a compact to sell. Ford had the Falcon, so they made this special car for them so the Mercury-Meteor dealers in Canada could sell this. It's rebadged Falcon. And then in 1961, they just went with the Mercury, just changed it over, got rid of this little division, and made the Mercury Comet. Let's look a little bit inside here. So any Falcon fans are probably looking for differences. So it's a very rare car. You'll only see it in Canada. It's an interesting part of Ford Mercury history.